This is Mikyo, Unit 42, MHBIFE 2020. This is Advanced Synthesis and Processing. This is another one of my For Mondays patches. It's the opening sequence for Mondays. I have chosen some waveforms here, the Sync Digital and the Digital A in a wavetable synthesizer, and these two make up the sound, along with this amp, which is a fast decay time. The decay time is going to be modulated. That's more of that later on. So that's the basic instrument. What we first started to do is we wanted to get the actual opening sequence, which, if I can find it here in the window, here we go. This is the opening sequence. So running that sequence, we then started to modulate this LFO, or these two LFOs being used to modulate different parts of the thing. So this is animating the various different parameters in, we're going to get that, in a very sort of, there's no smoothness about this. This is quite brutal at a time, at a 1/6 time, which is a kind of a triplety time. This is also at a 3/8 time, which is another triplety time. The phase of this is being modulated again by the first LFO. So we've got a lot of modulation going on. So this modulator is modulating the amp decay, which is very, very slight differences in the note length. The oscillator 1 position, which is here, this is the position here, just to give it a little bit more life. It also got the filter 2 resonance, which is this little knob here. This LFO is only, I think it's only doing one thing. Yes, it's only doing this filter frequency that is just running that through the gamut from roughly, what is it, 1 kilohertz to I can't see that, so it's very fast, half a kilohertz to something. Anyway, so this is what results in that, with all that life being thrown into it. And this is also going through an EQ which has a resonant bell in it, and that is being this 2 frequency here again by the noise LFO, and that's modulating that even more. So then we go to the effects that I put them through. Is just the usual delay and reverb. Which is nice, and we then have a listen to it in context of the whole song. And it actually fades in to start the song. So that's it. Opening sequence for Mondays. It does another little sequence back in the middle as well. So that's opening sequence for Mondays, another patch, and that is a wavetable patch. Thanks for watching.